So hey, what's up guys? This is Preetham from the Pickup Dude. Now, did you ever wonder, यार ये पिकअप की थियरीज तो मैंने देख ली, ठीक है, मेरे को समझ में आ गया पुश पुल बैंटरिंग, बट साला मैं जब जाके अप्रोच करने जाता हूँ तो माय माइंड जस्ट गोज ब्लैंक. या फिर डिड यू एवर वंडर कि यार ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस होती कैसी है? सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक डाउन स्टेप बाय स्टेप कि कैसी कॉन्वर्सेशंस हुई थी, व्हाई डिड आई स्पोक दोस थिंग्स, उस मोमेंट में मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, हाउ एट द एंड आई वाज एबल टू गेट अ गर्ल्स फोन नंबर इन अंडर 4 minutes. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the 4 minute pull, let's begin. सो जस्ट लिटिल बैक स्टोरी. तो हम दो जन थे, तो मैं और मेरा दोस्त ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे एंड वी स्पॉट दिस गर्ल आउटसाइड अ कैफे. He is approaching her. He's going towards her, but he is like okay.
So they got mobbed. Some footage.
So that's where I started walking towards this girl.
You've been to this place? You've been.
Hey, sorry to interrupt your video. Watching content is awesome, but if you want to actually become a man with multiple options, you need to take real action. And if you want me to help you to take real action, there should be a link down in the description. Click on that link, fill out the survey to see if you actually qualify to work with me directly. Now, back at the video. So ये एक indirect opener था. तो the opener was, you have been to this place. Have you been to this place? ठीक है, तो उसने सुना ही नहीं दिया. See guys, first thing, keep your ओपनर वेरी शॉर्ट. डिपेंड्स, डायरेक्ट अप्रोच है, इनडायरेक्ट अप्रोच है, सेमी डायरेक्ट अप्रोच, जो भी है. तो ये इनडायरेक्ट था. सो फर्स्ट गो में लड़के क्या बोलते हैं, हे एक्सक्यूज मी, आई सॉ यू, आई वाज वॉकिंग ओवर देयर एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम ओवर एंड सी. तो ये बंदे को थोड़ा ना प्रोसेस करने में टाइम लगता है. सो कीप योर ओपनर्स शॉर्ट. एनीवे यू हैव टू रिपीट इट अगेन. सो लाइक आई सेड दिस, यू हैव बीन टू दिस प्लेस. तो शी सेड सॉरी, आई वाज लाइक हैव यू बीन टू दिस प्लेस. तो दो बार मैंने वैसे भी रिपीट किया. तो मेक श्योर अगर तुम्हारा ओपनर लंबा चौड़ा है, इतना बड़ा सा, सो यू नीड टू रिपीट दैट अगेन एंड वो रटी हुई लाइन लगेगी. यू आर क्यूट, सॉरी, आई वाज जस्ट वॉकिंग बाय, आई सॉ यू, यू लुक क्यूट. ऐसे.
To this place?
No. Yeah,
How is it?
it's really good.
ठीक है. सो जस्ट इनिशियली एक ओपनर था, हैव यू बीन टू दिस प्लेस, एंड देन द कन्वर्सेशन कंटिन्यूअर वाज हाउ इज दैट. देन द गुड थिंग वाज कि वो आगे से भी पूछ रही थी, हैव यू हैव नॉट बीन टू दिस प्लेस. ऐसे.
I want to try it.
You guys not been here before?
हाँ, सो हैव यू गाइस नॉट बीन हियर बिफोर. तो उसने उस बंदे को देखा था एक्चुअली, ठीक है. लाइक शी रियलाइज्ड कि दीस गाइस आर गोइंग टू गो एंड कम एंड अप्रोच, बट ही वाजंट एबल टू अप्रोच. तो उसको वो सेंस हो गया था. दैट्स व्हाई शी इज लाइक, हैव यू गाइस नॉट बीन हियर बिफोर.
Nice tattoo.
You've never been to box?
Not this one. I've been to the club one. Yeah, nice tattoo.
Thank you.
So this was just a compliment. Hey.
Hello, sir.
Now the conversation continued. Now अभी क्या है, ये the big mistake guys do. तो हमने पूछ लिया, have you been to this place? तो वो प्लेस के बारे में ही कॉन्वर्सेशन करते रहेंगे. तुमने क्या खाया, तुम बाहर आ गई, आई लाइक यू नो हाउ इज दिस प्लेस, कैन यू सजेस्ट मी मोर रेस्टोरेंट्स. तो वही वो थ्रेड घुमाते रहते हैं प्लेस के बारे में. नाउ आई एम लाइक फक दैट थिंग, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. I'll start a new conversation now, and that is, are you from around here?
What are you doing here?
I am dancing. I'm a dancer, and I'm doing my MBA as well.
From where? Even I'm doing my MBA.
Oh, really?
See, so now we have shifted the complete conversation. ठीक है? Now we are like, I just assume report कि we are friends now. She said कि she's doing her MBA. I'm like, कहाँ से? तो ये conversation अभी flow हो रही है. And also if you see, I did a fist bump. So a girl's love language is touch. So ये हाई फाई, फिस्ट बम्प, हैंडशेक, ये इनिशियली ही उसमें डाल दो. ओके, सो शी विल फील कंफर्टेबल अराउंड.
Where are you from?
Yes.
Now these are good signs that she's also asking me questions, right? So I'm like, you know, just to make it a bit, rather than just telling कि मैं यहाँ से हूँ, I'm like yes. तो ये guessing वाला गेम चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir. Okay, kind of, half of. You're actually the first person who straight up was like south. Most of them are like north.
Yeah, you give very North Indian vibes.
Why is that?
I don't know. This is Kerala?
Maharashtra, Karnataka. So
So, okay.
I told you half. You are right, half. Yeah.
See, now we are being a challenge, right? Okay, guess करो. And she's like South. I'm like, oh, okay, half. You're half correct. Then I just said Maharashtra, Karnataka. So she's like, huh. I'm like, huh, you are half correct. No, like, see, we turned this into a fun game. Now, ये conversation barely 1 minute की हुई है, ठीक है? And within the first minute, we are already like playing games with the girl, rather than like keep talking about boring conversation about food की ये कैसा है, वो कैसा है. We have shifted. तो हमने food का पहले पूछा, ये place का पहले पूछा. Then suddenly we just dropped that topic and we opened a new topic. कि are you from this place? Now, after that, we opened a new topic. And that topic was, where do you think I'm from? Guess karo. You're getting, the conversation is just flowing. We are not talking about one specific topic. We are like opening multiple threads. Okay? So I've seen guys make this classic mistake. वो एक ही topic को घुसाते रहते. Open as many topics as you can. ठीक है? That's how, and हमने touch barrier भी वैसे तोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. So now it's like boom, we are friends now. I'm already in my head, I'm like, this is not a stranger. We are just having a nice conversation together.
So, like, how does this dancing thing work? It's interesting. Like, I don't know. I haven't
Yeah.
met a dancer. Yeah.
So, I mean, I just work for a lot of music video shoots now.
Now, ask something interesting about her. She said कि she is a dancer. Now, people love to talk about themselves, right? वो जो करते हैं उनको पसंद आता है. So just ask her कि, you know, how does this dancing thing work? Tell me about this more. So just keep digging and she keeps answering. So basically, see, it's a two-way street now. It's not कि मैं ही बातें करे जा रहा हूँ and she's not responding. No. So it's a two-way street.
Do you have any?
Yeah, I have a few.
तो मैंने यहाँ पे बोला कि, you know, do you have some dancing videos of yours? She's like, cool. I'll show you.
You want me to show it to you now?
Are you waiting for a friend of ours? Something?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay. What's the name again? Why is that name?
Okay, so I just asked her name. I just realized कि हमने name section नहीं किया था, so I just asked her name, and she said her name. Like यार, like why is that name? So my reaction was genuine. So basically my ex का जो नाम था, it was her name. So I was like okay.
My ex's name was that.
Oh, yeah.
See, you can just make fun of it and play around.
It's a pretty basic name.
Oh, right.
What's your name again?
I didn't tell you my name.
Oh, okay.
Preetham. Yeah.
Preetham?
See, I just told her my name and she repeats it. Preetham, you know? So that's a good sign. It's somewhere it's going.
What a coincidence. Jeez.
Qualifying now. She's showing her videos, right?
Why are you playing in so low quality?
So now I'm like, अच्छा इसकी quality थोड़ा बढ़ा दे.
That's how you increase the quality in case you didn't know.
Four के में देख
I don't think
ला.
he cares.
Why wouldn't I? Come on, if you're showing your work, then you should be proud of it, no?
No. So
Awesome.
just music
Yeah.
videos like this.
Awesome.
This was my most recent.
Awesome. So you have your own thing going on, or
Yeah, I mean, I'm just doing this as like a passion thing right now.
No,
Can't
I'm a-
really sustain with it, but
ये थोड़ा रिपोर्ट वाले हम फेज में चले गए. तो अट्रैक्शन स्पार्क हो गया हमारा, ठीक है, ओपनर हो गया, फिर वी बिल्ड द अट्रैक्शन. ये पुश पुल जो हम बोलते हैं, यू नो, आई वाज बीइंग अ चैलेंज एंड शी स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग. तो यहाँ पे वी डिस्प्लेड द पर्सनालिटी, ये कॉन्फिडेंस वाला, चार्म वाला, ह्यूमर वाला थोड़ा, राइट. वी वर बीइंग एंड वी वर आल्सो बीइंग दिस मैस्कुलिन कैरेक्टर कि दिखा मेरे को, वी वर लीडिंग कि ये करो वो करो. Now the conversation moved a bit into this report wala phase. She was talking deeply about her thing, कि कैसे हो रहा है ये dancing वाला thing, how it's not possible to sustain those kind of things, right? And also ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम जाके उसका ही पूछो, खुद का भी कुछ शेयर करो. Because after a point the people are like, अच्छा ये खाली मेरे से information extract कर रहा है, ये खुद का कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. So also you need to be able to provide your own.
even I'm a personal development coach.
See,
okay.
so even I'm a personal development coach.
Kinda. So it works. How many days are you here? Are you
I stay here.
actually here for this weekend, Christmas and New Year? You wanna hang out? You seem cool.
I'm not really looking for anything of that.
Okay. So usually अभी number close की बारी आती है, right? So I just realized कि if we keep dragging this conversation again and again and again, तो क्या ही बात कर लेंगे. So anyway, she was just waiting for a friend of hers. So उसने वैसे ही भी बोला था. So I was like, you know what, number close. I realized I didn't take her Instagram or anything. I was like, number. Because if a girl is not even giving you her number, आगे कुछ होने भी नहीं वाला. So you just move away from it. ठीक है? So rather than taking her Insta, फिर तुम DMs में slide करो, फिर उसको follow request भेजो, वो 4 दिन वैसे भी बर्बाद करेगी तुम्हें accept करने में. फिर तुम text करो, फिर WhatsApp पे आओ. We remove all those shit, straight up come to number. ठीक है? And this girl was like, you know what, I'm not looking for something. अभी ये एक shit test है. Most of the guys are like, oh, ये नहीं, ये shit test है. So how do we tackle this? We are like, you know what? You seem cool, you know. We underplay it. उसको ज़्यादा ये नहीं करेंगे कि yeah, I'm just there to hook up, baby. No. Hey, cool. You just seem cool. You know?
You mean just in general? Okay.
भाई वो ड्रामा नहीं चाहिए, अभी हो गया
Yeah,
अभी.
same. I just got out of something,
Yeah.
so I'm just like,
Chill. Yeah, we're chill people. You're interesting, no? Dance and all.
yeah.
Usually what people come and be like, hey, I want something out of you, or
Yeah, I'm very.
They are.
Yeah, that's
Chi.
basically what everyone wants when they speak to me. So I'm like, I am just.
okay, I just gave you a call. ठीक है?
Oh, that was okay.
See, now Abhi, she was like, Achal, I'm not looking for something. So she was upfront. Now ये shit test था and we handle it. Hey, chill. अभी वो trauma नहीं चाहिए हमको. ठीक है? We are just chill people. You seem cool. We should hang out. We underplayed. Boom. We just got the number just like that. ठीक है? And now
Yes.
then थोड़ा सा आगे और conversation को ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि तुम नंबर के लिए ही हो वहाँ पे. Okay?
So then,
कुछ नहीं लगा.
James Bond. Preetham. PREEE. Don't save it as I, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, these days it's coming. Somehow it's coming. I don't know.
I
Yeah.
think it's also because I'm Truecaller.
Oh, so you are one of those people who don't have so
Okay. So again, we just keep talking about it.
slow man. With it.
Now, at the end, we are like a formal handshake. Hey, nice to meet you. We could have went for a hug. ठीक है, side hug. We could have done that. I could have just taken a hand and spinned her. So इतना complex नहीं रहता. You just walk up to people. You socialize. You open. You spark attraction. You build a bit of rapport. And you close. इतना ही रहता है. Most of the people इतना theory को बड़ा कर देते हैं. You know, ये वो push pull bantering कुछ नहीं. जाओ, chill से बात करो. And ये skill जो है ना, you will just, it's very easy. The cold approaching skill is very easy to attain when you start going and approaching people. ठीक है? So hope you enjoyed this 4-minute pull. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.